Hello all, I am Dr. Pravas. In today's class, we'll discuss about the recursive descent parsing. Recursive descent parsing is a top-down parsing approach. Recursive descent parsing is a top-down parsing. Recursive descent parsing is a top-down parsing approach. Okay, so the points about the recursive descent parsing. So what is the meaning of recursive descent parsing? Generally, the recursive descent parsing uses the recursion. Generally, it uses the recursion to solve the problem. To solve the problem, generally it uses recursion. See here. Recursive descent parsing is very simple to design. It's very simple to design. Now we'll see what is the meaning of recursive descent parsing, how to design the recursive descent parsing with the help of one example. See here. Construct the recursive descent parser. Construct the recursive descent parser from the following grammar. See, this is one of the context-free grammar. E to num t, and then t to star num t slash e. That means E here t contains two productions. T2 star num t is one production, this one is one production, and T2 epsilon, this is the second production. Okay, here is the starting symbol. Remember, here is the starting symbol. Okay, now we will design the recursive descent parser for the given grammar. See here. Here is the starting symbol. So now we'll start with the main function. Then main function will call the E function. Here E function because E is the starting symbol. So now we'll define the E function. Here E function equal to if look ahead equals to num. If look ahead equals to num means here num is the terminal. Here num and star. Both are terminal. Right? If look ahead equal to num, then call the match function and then call t function. So what is the meaning of t function? Here t function later will define about the match function and t function. See, if look ahead equals to num, so it will call the match function and t function. T function later we'll discuss about the match function and t function. Else what? Error function. It will call the error function. If look at equal to dollar, printf means the parser will success, else it will call the error function. Now we'll see the match function. What is the meaning of match function? What is the meaning of t function? And what is the meaning of error function? Okay, see. Here match function equals to lookahead equals to next token, and error function means it will print syntax error. Okay, so now we'll see about the t function. See about the t function. T function means what? T if lookahead equal to star. If lookahead equal to star, then it will call the match function. If lookahead equal to num, it will call the match function and t function because it contains the next non-terminal is the t function. Else it will call the error function. Otherwise else return null. So this is about the recursive descent parser of the following grammar. But what is the problem? But what is the disadvantage of the recursive descent parser? This is the important point. See, this grammar contains only 3 predictions. This grammar contains only 3 predictions. This grammar contains only 3 predictions. Only 3 predictions. Okay. See the disadvantage. Recursive descent parser can handle small class of grammars. Can handle small class of grammar. Means the given grammar contains only 3 predictions. Contains only 3 predictions. See the solution. See the solution. The solution is very big. The solution is very big. The solution is very big. Only for 3 predictions. Just imagine if the context-free grammar contains 10 predictions or 20 predictions like this. So what is the parser looks like? The parser is very big when the context-free grammar contains more number of predictions. So unnecessarily it will take more complexity, more space, time, and also it will take more complexity, time complexity. Okay. So this is the main disadvantage. So this is the main disadvantage. So recursive descent parser can handle only small class of grammar. This is one of the advantage. Because the second point, this is this is not advantage, this is the drawback. Okay. Because of the huge recursion in recursive descent parser, because of huge recursion in recursive descent parser, the parser may occupy total runtime memory. Total runtime memory. Because we just take only small grammar. If any grammar contains more number of predictions like 10, 20 number of predictions, it will take much more time to execute or to design the parser. Okay. So because of huge recursion in a recursive descent parser, the parser may occupy total runtime memory. Okay. Hence, it is very difficult to execute the recursive parser. Okay. To avoid this drawback, we'll use predictive parser or compiler. So in real-time scenario, this recursive descent parser generally not used. Okay, because of huge recursion, and this huge recursion may take the total runtime memory of the system. Okay, so that's why we'll avoid this recursive descent parser for designing the compiler. Okay, so next we'll see about the predictive parser. Or it is also called as LL1 parser. So what is the meaning of predictive parser? We'll see in the next class. Okay, thanks for watching.